What's up, guys? So today did very well. Really like my trades. $593, $17.85 commission, and 17 tickets. As you can see, efficiency is extremely good. So proud of myself here. So QCOM popped up. As you can see, there's an SMA here on this daily level. Popped right above that. Here's how it looks like on the 5 minute, 15 minute. On 15 minute, I was holding this level pretty well, so there is a chance that it's gonna do a run up. But on the 5 minute, it had almost like an opening range breakout. It will be clearer on the 1 minute here. This bar right here, this candlestick 70.85 used to be sort of the high, so it's like at around this level, actually like around this level 70.90 is where right at the market it went up. That's the market high, and then did ABCD, sort of like this mini ABCD, trying to break out of this level. So I went long. I waited. It kind of chopped all the way down here. I didn't want to take it down here. Profits would be bigger, but there's always this chance that it would just drop. Well, I guess in that case I would just get out. But I just waited and watched to see what happens. It popped up, went long, and then I basically got out. It was struggling here for a bit. I didn't expect it to hop all the way up to 71, 78. Well, that's a 40-cent jump, but I was playing it safe, and as you can see, right after that, it took a dump. So I was playing it safe, 500 shares, I think. I think I only took 500 shares, and I was rewarded for it $193. So that was that trade. A low, slightly different story. This is where I kind of took. Well, actually, no, it's pretty much the same story. Sorry. Where I saw that there's this level here. You look at all four candlesticks. It was holding its level, and then on the daily level, very similarly, it has this SMA here popped up and got pushed back down. Although I took the different position for this because of where the breakout is. So 15 minute made 15-minute low. It's trending down. 5 minute, so 9:30. This is a true breakout. It broke through this level. 9:35. It started to go lower, and then on the 1 minute, this is where we're talking about here. Is there's this level down here, the $100.46. I saw that it was going to try to break that level. So basically, that's where I enter, right? 153. And then it got lower, it went back up, got lower, it went back up. Went back up to here, got lower again, went back up. So I added. So I took small sizes, 200 shares. I think here I took 300, so I have 500 shares. And then it went up. This is where it started to scare me, but I gave it some room just to see if it would break through this EMA. It actually kept it pretty well. So on the way down, I added to it. So I added 200, or maybe 200. Well, anyway, either way, I have like 800 total. So maybe added 200 or 300 here. Pop back up, hit this level, went back down again. And at this point, I felt more confident. It wasn't going to break this EMA. I thought about exiting some shares here because I was down at this level. It would have been either break even or about like made 20 or 30 bucks if I got out of all 800 shares. I was gonna get out of a couple of shares just to mitigate the risk, but then it started to trend lower and lower and lower. So I just kept it. And these numbers may seem kind of small, but they're actually pretty big. So here, this is what, 154, 160, and this is 114 or whatnot. That's like 50-cent drop. So this is big drops. It's half a point. So that's when I started cover. I covered like at 100 each, so 100 shares, and sort of stayed at this level for quite a bit. And I realized, and just a good rule of thumb that I watch and see how fast Andrew Aziz gets out of his positions is, a couple minutes, if it's not really trending the way you want it to, pretty much try to get out. So this wasn't really, it was trending this. I was hoping it'll, make a drop. I was a little cautious here because I only had a couple hundred shares. I mostly got out here, so maybe like 300, 400 shares here. So half my position is gone. So when it kind of went back up or whatnot, it was pretty far away still from my break even. I think my break even because of these, I think it's like probably right here somewhere. So I felt pretty safe for it to go up here. If it went up any further, I would have just exited all of it. It didn't, went back down to here, and then I thought maybe it's a good idea to just start getting out. So I got a couple more and then got out the final piece here. It did drop the bit to 99.71. Now it's probably doing a reversal since it held this level for 2 minutes or so. But yeah, held it here. Yeah, it's probably gonna go back up. But anyway, so yeah, I'm done for the day. It's very, very efficient day, as you can see. So no complaints here.